Good morning dear student. In today's video I have covered your unit 4 from communicative English lab portion and topic covered is your group discussion. And after completion of today's video you will able to know what is group discussion, where group discussion is needed, what are the do's and don'ts of group discussion, and lastly how to prepare yourself for group discussion. So what is group discussion? As the name suggests, group discussion is a discussion done among 7 to 8 people, that too unknown person, right? 7 to 8 person, they are discussing about something, and what they are discussing about a particular topic. A topic will be given, a fixed time will be given, and within that time period 7 to 8 person are speaking on that particular topic, right? Now what is happening on that GD? Now GD is a tool or it is a technique where your suitability of an individual person is being judged, right? You are individually judged. Among that group you are judged individually. Your overall personality is being judged, it is assessed, right? Your thinking, your feelings, your thoughts, your behavior, everything is judged in that fixed time period. Maybe 10 minutes or maybe it 15 minutes. Within that 15 minutes, your overall personality is being judged. So where your group discussion is being conducted. Now group discussion is generally conducted for job purposes, right, for scholarship purposes as well as for admission purpose. So what are the qualities or what things are judged in your group discussion? The first thing is judged is your communicating skill. How you are communicating with that unknown or stranger person on that particular desk, how you are communicating. So your communicating skill is judged. The first thing that is judged is your communicating skill. Next is your how interactive you are, how you are interacting with others, how you are behaving with others, right? First thing is your communication skill is judged, how you are interacting, your behavior is judged. Next is how open-minded you are. Your mind is being judged. How your mind is being judged? A topic has been given and you have to give your points of view. So your mind, your intelligence is being judged. Next, how flexible or rigid you are in accepting the viewpoint of others. Now, next point what is judged is your how rigid you are or how flexible you are while you are interacting with a known person. Next, what are the skills? Apart from this skill, your leadership skill is being judged, your analytical thinking, how problem solving attitude, everything, these things are being judged. Within that 15 minutes of time, your leadership quality, your analytical thinking ability, your problem solving attitudes, everything, your social attitude, how you are behaving, your social quality, whether you are friendly or whether you are very timid type of or you are adamant, everything, your confidence level is judged, right? So this is what are the qualities which are being judged while you are sitting on that GD for that group discussion. Next is what are the do's of GDs. Now you are sitting on a particular table, a topic has been given, right? Now what are the things that you have to keep in mind while your GD is going on, right? You learnt about what are the qualities that are being judged in GD. Next, how you should behave in that GD table. First is think before you speak. So a topic has been given. That does not mean that randomly you will speak your mouth. No. First thing is you think. Before speaking you think about the topic, then only you speak. Next is if you don't know about the topic, take some time, listen to other, try to capture the ideas and then you use your intelligence by placing your point of view. Next is back up your points with facts and figure if needed. If you are giving example, make sure that your example, your facts or whatever figures you are giving as an example or instances, make sure it should be a truth one, it should be an honest one, not a fake one. Randomly you will not say 6 lakh, 7 lakh. You should be sure about the facts figure. Whatever example you are giving, make sure it should be an honest and truth one, genuine one, not a fake one. Be gentle and sure in your presentation of view. While you are placing your views, while you are giving your views, be gentle, behave properly. You are giving your point of view. That does not mean that you will howl, you will try to dominate other. No, dear student, be gentle, be calm while you are placing your point of view. Speak to the point and make sure that you do not repeat the point. So, always speak to the point. Don't avoid using irrelevant thing. Always speak little, but it should be to the point. And make sure that you should not repeat your point. Once the point has been said, try or avoid using that sentence again. Don't repeat the point. Next is your be calm and composed while speaking. As I have said, behave gently, behave smartly, behave coolly, calmly. Don't start fighting to dominate them, right? Listen to other is also an important aspect of participation in the group discussion. So, inculcate the habit of listening to other. Let them give their point of view, right? So, have patience and listen to others' point also. Next, behave a respectful attitude towards the viewpoint of others. Give respect to others' view of point. Right, respect what they are saying, have patience, let them finish their point of view. Next is your body language should convey your ease of behavior. Use your body language properly in a gentle, in a smart way. Use your hand palm to express your views properly, right? Don't show aggression on your face, rather wear a calm face, carry a sweet smile, right? Don't show negative behavior. Always carry a positive behavior within you when you are in a group discussion. Next, sometimes the discussion may take a hostile turn. In such a case, behave properly, right? Now, definitely there will be fight because everyone is trying to give their point of view. Everyone is trying to convince the other person. So, definitely a hostile, your argument will turn hot. That does not mean that you too will become hot and you will behave in an aggressive manner. No, not at all. Be calm. Remember, everything, your tidbit, each and every attitude is being judged. How you are tackling the situation, problem solving attitude, how you are solving that situation, how you are tackling that scenario, everything is judged. How you are behaving, how you are expressing, everything, whether you are behaving in an aggressive manner or whether calmly. So, remember, don't lose temper. Behave in a gentle, calm and in a confident way. Next, what are the don'ts of GD? Now, remember what are the don'ts of GD. So, first thing, do not initiate the discussion if you don't know the topic well. Very good. First point is, if you don't know about that particular topic, right, and that does not mean that if you think that if I will speak first, I will get good mark. No, not at all, not like that. You don't speak first if you don't know the topic well. Take some time, right? Do not go overboard in exhibiting your knowledge. First thing is, do not talk too much if you don't know the topic, right? Next is, do not show off your knowledge. If you know the topic, if you have a superb knowledge about that particular topic given, now don't go off showing off that, right? Next is, do not interrupt other member when they are speaking. As discussed in those that have patience, listen what others are saying. So, let your co-speaker finish their point, right? Have patience, don't interrupt in the middle. It is a bad attitude. Let them first complete their point of view, then you give your view. Next is, do not change your opinion about the topic just because most of the other participants having the opinion. Now this is also one of the important aspect. Now if you are thinking that I will say one point, but if you are seeing that others are just opposite to your point and you will just change your mentality, is a wrong concept. You be firm with what point you will be saying. If suppose you are thinking that all are saying in for, I will also say in for. No, not like that. If all are saying in for and if you are in against, no harm in it. Keep your point strongly, confidently. Don't feel unconfident if a speaker prior to you has presented the point more effectively than you, right? Always keep your confidence level high. Don't place it low. Don't bring it down when you are seeing other performing well. It is definitely, it's a human nature that if you see someone opposite to you is performing well, your confidence level will go low. But in GD, make sure that your confidence level remains the same. Next, do not ask irrelevant questions. Don't ask irrelevant questions. Always go and ask questions that are relevant to the topic. Do not let your personal bias about the topic enter the discussion point to be kept in the mind before the GD is on. Right? So these are the don'ts while you are going for in GD. Lastly, what are the points that you have to keep in mind that you are going for an interview or you are going for an GD, how you will prepare yourself? First thing is update on the latest information. Now always brush up yourself with the latest thing, right? You should prepare yourself. If you know that I am going for an GD, means you have to prepare yourself. You have to brush up yourself. By how? By reading newspaper, by watching news. You should prepare yourself. Next, make a habit of reading newspaper, books, magazine, so that you can give example. That too not a fake example, right? A perfect and honest example. Next, the simple way to remember the content is how you are going to, suppose you self-assessment you will do. Suppose you are reading the newspaper, you are watching the videos, you are watching the news. Now suppose how you will prepare yourself for GD. You simply go in front, go and speak in front of a mirror. Definitely once you can do that thing perfectly means you are prepared. Speaking before a mirror means you have excelled in your confidence level. So prepare yourself by watching videos, by watching news, reading newspaper, as well as speaking before the mirror. Next, even be aware of different topics such as sports, and you have to prepare yourself in every arena of day-to-day life. That is your political news, sports, technology news, economics, everything, right? You have to brush up yourself, you have to prepare yourself in different arena of life, not only in particular topic, latest topic. You have to cover each and every point. Who knows what topic is going to come. So I hope this video would have definitely been helped you out for your group discussion purpose. Thank you.